we are going to show you how to make a vinaigrette today. And it's very good, very easy, and you can make it for like 3 or 4 days if you like to. So the ingredients we are going to use are olive oil, we are going to use apple cider vinegar, we are going to use lemon, and we are going to use parsley and cilantro and garlic. So we can also, what I'm missing here is flax oil. I like to use olive oil, and I like to put a little bit of flax oil in my salad dressing. So let's just peel the garlic first. And if you don't like raw garlic, you don't have to put garlic, but I like to put garlic, and I like to infuse it for a couple of days. This way it loses its power and it's not as spicy. So I like to cut it in smaller pieces so that the oil can be extracted. So garlic is antibacterial, it's a very good herb, but you don't want to use too much of it. It's antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. And then this is green onion. So we are going to use a little bit of green onion. We can use both sides, the green part and the white part. And then we are going to use parsley. I don't like to put the stems, so I'm going to cut it here. This parsley is quite coarse. The younger the better. And you can grow parsley on your windowsill. So you can make it as fine as you like. Good. So I'm going to put this in my container. And of course, this salad dressing can be used for several things. You can use it for salad. You can also put it in vegetables. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I'm going to put some, so you need to make sure that you remove the seeds from the lemon. Put a little bit more lemon. The proportion is about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for 3 tablespoons of oil. But I do it a little bit. Oh, I don't measure. So, and then we are going to add some olive oil. Here, 1, 2, and 3. So you can replace the lemon by apple cider vinegar, or you can add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I add a dab of apple cider vinegar. You could also use cilantro. I like to put a lot of herbs in my salad. Here, and then this is ready to put on your salad for tonight, like this. And then what I like to do, I like to put it, you know, like sometimes you can put it in your plate, you can put the salad on your plate and then pour this on the top. But what I like to do is I like to get the salad dressing, and then I like to stir it into the salad so that each leaf is exposed. Bon appétit!